see the frothed milk on the top of this coffee? That was all talent, no milk frother. I swear to God, I do not have a milk frother in my house, and you're probably wondering how I did it. Talent, that's how. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back, and I'm back doing what I do best. PLT hauls. Today I am going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing haul. You guys know I love PLT. I literally do so many PLT videos and you guys love them as well. You guys know I work with PLT a lot, so thank you so much to PLT for collaborating with me on this video. But as per usual, I am super honest about the quality and how I feel about the clothes. I mean, I'm trying them on, for God's sake. If they were terrible, you'd be able to see. That's... Why am I like this? Oh my God, also, my lovely friend Ben Hughes sent me this really cute hoodie, and I wasn't gonna shout it out, I kind of forgot I had it on. I mean, I could never. This is why I didn't bring out merch, because I could never. But yeah, little shout out, Ben. Thanks for the hoodie, it's really cute. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling on. Silly, relatable girl, you little silly rambler. Oh, she said casual with a pop of, what's it called? What's this material called? Oh God, she said casual with a pop of hairy goosebump legs. I love this outfit so much. I love the tones. I love like brown tones. My whole wardrobe is like this whole colour scheme. I love the earrings and the little chain detail. I'm really into my jewellery at the moment. I've even invested in a cute little jewellery box, like one of the Urban Outfitters ones, but it was from H&M Home. Ugh. We love. I love this outfit so much. It's so cozy, it's so comfy, and just wait. Storm, Diana, Judith, whatever it is not gonna get in the way of me wearing this cute ass outfit because she came with a trench coat. Yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. We came prepared. British climate check. Since being in Japan, I am now a trench coat combo. I think anything with a trench coat just looks so cool. I mean, tell me this isn't a vibe with the white socks, lol. I don't like to toot my own trumpet, but I love. I actually also got a big teddy like Borg coat originally to also go with this outfit, just because I'm loving the whole oversized coat ting. Ah! Oh my God, did I actually say ting unironically? Flossie, what got into you this day? I mean, I wanted oversized. She said oversized with a capital I. I got this in a size 10, which was a silly mistake. I would recommend sizing down 2 sizes in this. And don't get me wrong, I am a lover of oversized, like a lover. But this is just kind of a little bit much. Watching this back, I'm literally like, you don't say, hun. Because you literally look like the giant teddy bear every 9-year-old puts on their Christmas list. I kind of prefer the way this coat looks with the outfit to the trench, if I'm completely honest. But I would say get a 6 if you are like my size, because she is large and in charge. I feel like a massive Michelin man. I mean, I've got to take the range to get serviced at about 2 o'clock, but I could do lunch at 3. Okay, love you, bye. Sort of vibes. You know what I mean? I feel like Cinzia from Sophia and Cinzia, I swear she had something kind of similar to this on in one of her LA pictures. The blazer is really creased. I'm not sure how you'd go about like getting the creases out of this. I mean, where there's a will, there's a way, you know? This bag, I am so obsessed. You guys know I love my shoulder bags, and I love the print. What print is this? Like zebra? It's not zebra, is it? Horse? It's not. Sorry, did I really just say horse? I'm just so obsessed with the gold accessories as well. I think makes such, sorry, this is really overexposed. I think the gold accessories make a really nice feature, or you could just do it without if you just want a simple moment. The dress is kind of big. This is a size small, and for reference, I'm a size 6/8. It is a bit baggy, and I've had to fold it up at the bottom so that it's not like a ruler. T-pose. Activate. But I just love this neckline. I think it's so elegant because there's no cleavage. I just love it. I think it's so classic, so classy. Dress up, dress down. I honestly think this is probably one of my favourite outfits with like the Bella Hadid pony. So I haven't addressed the fact I've got my makeup on and I'm realising my face is like 20 shades lighter than my neck. But we're not going to talk about that. A Bella Hadid pony. Hi, did somebody call? Because I said business, bitch. Also, do I show this now? You know, I'm just going to do it because I'm crazy. I'm not exaggerating when I say I've spent the last maybe 45 minutes trying to find that clip where Jordan on Love Island goes, you know, because sometimes I'm just crazy. I just jump in the pool and I can be really crazy. But I can't find it. But no, if I could, it would be inserted here and it would be really funny. Thank you. I also got another Borg teddy coat and this time I got it in a 6 and I got it in black just to show sizing basically because they didn't have a 6 in stock of the camel. This is a much better fit, this teddy coat. I have been living in this teddy coat. It is so warm and I just love it so much. It's such a great throw on coat. I wore it to the dentist today, but then I also wore it out to a gig in London. It's so versatile. If you don't have a teddy coat in your wardrobe, you need one. It's not a want, it's a need. Wow, she really just said jeans and a nice top. Honestly, my lack of boob is just quite devastating. Where did you go? Where did you go? I feel like the chain could maybe be a bit too much. Let's try it without. Yeah, I think that's better. I think it's better to just have a collarbone moment. With these sort of tops though, you can usually get a bit of boobage. I mean, where there's a will, there's a way, unless you actually have an inverted chest like myself. This colour difference is actually a problem. I am so in love with this top. What is not to love about it? You really cannot go wrong with a corset top. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. Throw on a big black ball coat, keep you super warm and toasty. It's the perfect sort of drinks with the girls that ends up turning into a night out, which I don't experience because I don't go out for drinks in the first place. Just introvert things. Pretty sure this is from like the Valentine's Day collection. I don't know if you can see, but it's actually like velvet. The quality is beautiful. I love this sort of trim, is it? Like a little sort of vest trim. And of course it actually goes down pretty far. It's got like a lip. Would you call that a lip? Is that a lip? A tongue? Ugh. Ugh, a tongue. Ugh. And these jeans as well are such a beautiful fit. Honestly, I am so pleasantly surprised at PLT denim. I am gonna put it out there, I hate Topshop denim. I hate it because it makes me look like I've got a beer belly. I don't know if anyone else experiences this, but with Topshop denim, throughout the day, this bit here, it like bags out like that, and then it sort of makes you look like you got this fupa. Can't believe I just said fupa on camera, oh my god. PLT denim doesn't do that, and it's nice, it's thick, it's not like thin, shitty denim. Just ruined all chance of ever getting a Topshop brand deal. Love that for me. Topshop, I love all your other stuff. Email below. I just love these jeans, they're a great fit. I got them in a size 8. I got the top in a size 6, by the way, but it is a shape. It's from like the shape range, so it is meant for women of fuller bust. Oh, I'm just a cute little Y2K girl in the streets of London filming TikToks with the Kira. Has anyone else seen that other girl called Flossie on TikTok? Because there's another Flossie. I know. Someone needs to stop me right now. So everyone, that is the end of my haul. I really oh, there's hair in my eye, ow. So everyone, that is the end of this haul. I really hope you all enjoyed it. As always, I have all the stuff linked in the description box down below. I got most of the stuff in a size 6, just for sizing reference, in case you think you are a similar size to myself. Thank you so much once again to PLT for working with me on this video. I always love working with you guys so much, and I have so much fun filming these videos. If you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more from me, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the little bell to make sure my videos come up in your subscription boxes. Wow, I'm really giving Trisha Paytas and James Charles a run for their money. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to leave requests and comments in the comment section down below. I love you guys all so much. I'm gonna go to the gym now, sweat my non-existent titties off, and I will see you guys all very, very soon. Bye. Bye.